Hi, I am Revathi. I am working as an assistant professor in SNS College of Engineering. Today we will discuss the topic about case study of ARP in corporate network. ARP stands for Address Resolution Protocol. It is a network protocol used to determine the MAC address from any IP address. ARP is used to translate IP address into MAC address. When one device wants to communicate with another device in a LAN network, the ARP protocol is used. This protocol is used when a device wants to communicate with another device over a local area network or Ethernet. ARP protocol finds the MAC address based on IP address. IP address is used to communicate with any device at the application layer, but to communicate with the device at the data link layer or to send to it, a MAC address is required. When data is sent to a local host, the data travels between networks via IP address. But to reach the host in LAN, it needs the MAC address of that host. In this situation, the address resolution protocol plays an important role. How ARP protocol works? When a sender wants to communicate with the receiver, the sender first checks its ARP cache. Sender checks whether the receiver's MAC address is already present in the ARP cache or not. If the receiver's MAC address is already present in the ARP cache, the sender will communicate with the receiver using the MAC address. If the MAC address of the receiver device is not already present in the ARP cache, then in such a situation, an ARP request message is prepared by the sender device. The message contains the MAC address of the sender, IP address of the sender, and IP address of the receiver. The field containing the MAC address of the receiver is left blank because it is being searched. Sender device broadcasts this ARP request message in the LAN. Because this is a broadcast message, every device connected to the LAN receives the message. All devices match the receiver IP address of this request message with their own IP address. Devices whose IP address does not match drop this request message. The device whose IP address matches the receiver IP address of this request message receive the message and prepare an ARP reply message. This is an unicast message which is sent only to the sender. In ARP reply message, the sender's IP address, MAC address are used to send the reply message. Besides, in this message, the receiver also sends its IP address and MAC address. As soon as the sender device receives the ARP reply message, it updates its ARP cache with the new information. Now the MAC address of the receiver is present in the ARP cache of the sender. The sender can send and receive data without any problem.